Middletown, Pennsylvania. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair with the Travelers. Coming to a town near you. Be watching.
It took about 3 pushes.
I think that was 4. Look at the measurements up through there a couple times. See what it looks like. The way they made this house, there's actually a 2x4 runs right here. It's unusual. And they have another one here on the outside, which is unusual. And this piece right here was basically a piece of drip edge, which is the first time I've seen that before too. There was no gutter type install. It was just like a drip edge, straight piece. We attach a 2x4 here to the outside edge. So we run our plywood out 1.5 inches. 2x4 goes up against here. Plywood goes over the top. Camera's coming up blurry. There you go. That's supposed to be a better camera than I had last time too. But we had to get rid of that piece of metal that stuck out there because it came down far enough where it affected our 2x4 height. And we're coming around from one corner to the next. We want everything to match up really nice. So the only reason why we don't give this a 6-inch overhang is because it already has it. As you can see, it already has 6 inches. So all we need to do is add a 2x4 on this end, and same as the other end. But like I say, it had some type of a drip edge on here that I've never seen before, and then this piece of metal here that just came up and wrapped like that, which I've never seen before. We're going to take care of this, and we're going to do it the traveler's way. Traveler's way. And these guys are now starting to pop their lines and get this thing set up. We're going to love it. It's going to look so damn good. Especially that white trim like it is. That's pretty right there. It's not completely screwed down, but a good part of it. Alright, so these guys have been knocking this thing out. Get the fascia board here. And then it's going to get wrapped. And it's going to come down further than that. Fascia metal here is about 3.5 inches. It will be 6 inches when we're done with it. So 6 inches. Still have to add the OSB on the other side. I know, that's what I would do too. Right? Still beat down. I don't know about